There are a lot of turntables available on the market, but choosing a wrong turntable can waste your money and your valuable time. So be sure to get a little bit of information about the product before buying the product. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best turntables of 2024. After extensive research and testing, I've made this list. But the issue is that some turntables might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most turntables are not made with the same people in mind, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect turntable for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First on my list is Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2. The Cambridge Audio Alva TTV2 is the best turntable that offers great sound. This turntable comes with a built-in phono stage, so you can connect it directly to an amp or speaker. The phono stage can also be turned off if you are already using another audio setup. Thanks to the Bluetooth connection, you can also connect this turntable to wireless headphones or speakers. And it comes with high-quality aptX HD technology that helps you capture the finer details of music. The tone arm of this turntable is specially designed so that you can easily change the stylus cartridge. It also comes pre-installed with an excellent quality moving coil. Our testing revealed that it has a Bluetooth connection, but you should use it wired for the best sound. Even through a Bluetooth connection, the Alva TTV2 delivers the rich and true sound of vinyl recordings and is clearer and more accurate than cheaper Bluetooth turntables. The Alva TTV2 is an excellent turntable that highlights the finer points of music and delivers a balanced and appealing sound. It's certainly the best turntable in terms of high-performance audio, but it's not the most visually appealing. Its design is focused on simplicity and efficiency, but it is sturdy and strong. It has a beautiful aluminum plinth, and the overall build quality is very good. The Alva TTV2 is hardly the best choice for those who like a lot of bass. However, it is easy to use, and its performance is also very impressive. If you want a turntable packed with advanced technology that will appeal to most music lovers, this is the perfect investment for you. Next on my list is Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, my choice for the best turntable for tight budgets. Audio-Technica AT-LP60XBT, an affordable Bluetooth record player. It's perfect for people who listen to old recordings infrequently or don't want to spend a lot of money. The best part is that it requires no wires. You can connect it with your favorite Bluetooth speaker. This is especially good for rooms where you don't want the clutter of wires. But if you want the original great in-log sound of the recording, you can also put it on a normal stereo. There's a special thing that makes this possible, called a phono preamp. Note that the sound in a Bluetooth connection is digitized first, so it won't sound as good as stereo. But the good thing is that for most people who just want to enjoy their recordings, this Bluetooth record player is good enough. This record player is also easy to use. All you have to do is hold the record, and it will start playing automatically, unlike some record players where you have to move the arm yourself. It also has a shutter that automatically rises when the record ends, so your precious recordings are not damaged. With a Bluetooth connection, this record player gives you an easy and comfortable way to listen to old recordings, no matter which room you are in. Next on my list is Denon DP-300F. My choice for the best turntable with fully automatic operation. The Denon DP-300F is a great record player that's as good to look at as it is to listen to. This is perfect for those who are thinking of buying a record player but don't want to mess with complicated settings. It is very easy to use. It does not require any special skills to record. Just place a record and press a button. Then the player will start automatically and the song will start playing. The best part is that when the record ends, the needle automatically rises, so that your precious record is not damaged. It's true that the cartridge that comes with it isn't the best, but it's good enough for normal record listening and works well for the price. If you are a fan of high-quality sound, you can even replace it later with a better cartridge. It doesn't have a USB option, which means you can't use it to copy your records to a computer. But this won't be a problem for those who just want to listen to their favorite records and don't want to worry about lifting the needle every time. It's also perfect for those who sometimes fall asleep while listening to a record, as the needle automatically rises as the record ends. Next on my list is Fluance RT81, my choice for the best turntable for beginners. The Fluance RT81 is a great turntable for beginners because it is so easy to use. It's like learning to ride a bike, and this turntable makes it easy for you to handle. The great thing about it is that you can make it even better as you learn. It's like adding new lights to your bike to make it even cooler. It comes pre-installed with a sound-correcting element, so that the record sounds clear and crisp, and you can add an even better element later if you want an even bigger sound. We really like the sound of this turntable, but there were a few small things that caught our attention. Like a shutdown object, the record stops playing, but you still have to manually put the record back into place. It's like putting your bike on a stand after riding it. You have to record yourself. It's not a big deal, but if you want something that does everything automatically, then the Denon DP-300F is a better choice for you. It's like driving a car that starts and shifts gears by itself instead of riding a bike. And yes, if you want the record to sound great right from the start, look at the Pro-Ject Carbon Evo. But the Fluance RT81 is a great and affordable choice. It's like you're buying a simple but reliable bike that later you can decorate as you wish. As we said in our review, if you want a turntable that's easy to use, looks good, and can be upgraded later, the Fluance RT81 is for you. And last on my list is Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. If you like to listen to new recordings with more bass and crunch, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO turntable is perfect for you. It doesn't sound quite as clear as our first suggestion, but it still delivers great sound. EVO combines deep and punchy bass with clear sound, plus it creates a room-wide sound experience as if a band or orchestra is performing right in front of you. It's also easy to set up and looks great. The presets sound great, and you can easily change the record speed between 35 revolutions per minute and 47 revolutions per minute. It can also play 74 revolutions per minute records, but you will need another belt for that. Pro-Ject offers the option to purchase many more accessories for this turntable separately, so you can make it even better over time. But, like our first suggestion, the EVO doesn't have a built-in phono preamp, which is necessary for connecting to normal speakers. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. It's free. Let us know in the comments down below which best turntable you're going to choose. If you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can.